everyone. This is Tuesday, March 31st, and I want to take a look at our plants today. Let me step out of the way so you can see them. Last night I did what I said I wanted to do. I was so excited. I found some skewers inside my cabinet in my kitchen, and so I I made like tomato steaks, but for hyacinths. I guess I made hyacinth steaks. So I staked them up so that they would grow tall and stand up and be easier to measure. So we'll see how that works, but it seems to be working really well. I was excited. Plus, I think it looks pretty. So I'm loving these plants. Let's take a look at how they've grown today. Okay. So lots of text messages coming in. All right, so for our daffodil, here is the 30 centimeter mark. And today, now I have 5 more centimeters. So 35 centimeters on the daffodil. I believe, if memory serves me, I think that's 1 centimeter more than yesterday. So not a lot of growth there, but that's not a big surprise because the daffodils are about as tall as daffodils usually get. Now, I could be proven wrong, and you guys know me, you know I'm wrong a lot, so I'll admit it if I am. But anyway, we'll continue to observe and continue to measure. I don't know if that's their maximum height or not. Looks like it, but who knows? That's what science is all about, right? Okay, let's look at our hyacinth. This is the one we've been measuring. And today, all staked up and proud and tall, comes to 28 centimeters. Whoops, I should have done that last. I should have done the tulip next. But that's okay. I'll go ahead and write it down since I measured it. And then we'll end today with the tulip. Here's the tulips. Oops. It would also help if I held the ruler the right way. That's really important. Let me start with the 0 closest to the soil. And today it looks like this tulip is hitting the 17 centimeter mark. And I cannot wait to see the buds on this tulip. Let me show you. I think we're closer to that because look, here we go. Look how it's poking up through today. So we have a lot more growth than we had even yesterday. So every day they're getting a little bit taller, a little bit prettier, and I'm loving them a little bit more. So there we go. Make sure that you update your chart. Make sure that you update your graph. Here's mine. Okay, so yeah, we had a little bit of growth on each, not a lot. And I also wanted to ask you, as you've been making your graph every day, are you noticing any pattern? So are you noticing, I want you to just kind of look at your graph after you make it today and see if you can ask yourself a question about some of the information on the graph. Maybe be prepared with a question for tomorrow. So, which I might have you post in the comments or post an observation or something like that. So anyway, that's it for our measurements today. If you'll go ahead and update your chart and graph, and then I'll talk to you about that tomorrow.